Hey everyone, welcome back to GadgetVerse, your go-to destination for the coolest tech innovations on the planet. Today we're taking flight literally with the brand new DJI Neo 2, a drone that's redefining what next-gen aerial tech can really do. This isn't just another upgrade, it's a full-blown evolution in drone technology. With enhanced AI navigation, an improved high-capacity battery, and a crystal-clear 4K camera, the Neo 2 is built for creators, explorers, and anyone who wants to capture the world from a whole new perspective. Let's dive into what makes this flying beast so special. The Neo 2 keeps DJI's signature sleek design but pushes it even further. It's made with lightweight, durable materials, giving you the perfect balance between toughness and portability. The new heat dissipation system means longer flights without worrying about overheating, and the foldable arms make it super easy to carry anywhere. DJI also upgraded the landing gear, so whether you're taking off from smooth pavement or rocky terrain, you'll get a steady liftoff and landing every time. Now, let's talk about the camera, because this is where things get seriously exciting. The upgraded image sensor delivers richer detail, sharper contrast, and gorgeous low-light performance. You can shoot 4K footage at higher frame rates, giving your videos that cinematic look every filmmaker dreams of. With its enhanced gimbal stabilization, your shots stay buttery smooth even when the wind picks up. And performance? Oh, it's on another level. The new propulsion system improves wind resistance and flight stability, giving you total control in the air. Whether you're filming a fast-moving car chase or a peaceful mountain sunrise, the Neo 2 stays precise, stable, and easy to maneuver. AI plays a big role here too. With upgraded active track, waypoint navigation, and follow me modes, the drone can intelligently track subjects, follow preset flight paths, and even avoid obstacles in real time. It's like flying with a built-in co-pilot powered by artificial intelligence. Safety hasn't been forgotten either. With LiDAR and stereo vision sensors, the Neo 2 can spot and avoid obstacles from multiple directions. The improved return-to-home system ensures it always finds its way back, even if you lose signal or power dips unexpectedly. Battery life is another huge win. You're getting up to 40 minutes of continuous flight, plus fast charging that gets you back in the air in under an hour. Swappable batteries mean less downtime and more creativity in every session. In short, the DJI Neo 2 isn't just an upgrade, it's the new benchmark for drone innovation. Whether you're a pro filmmaker, a content creator, or just someone who loves high-end tech, this drone delivers the perfect mix of power, intelligence, and performance. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell icon to stay tuned with GadgetVerse for more awesome tech reviews, guides, and future-forward innovations. Until next time, keep flying, keep exploring, and keep pushing the limits of technology.